Hi childrens, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the word that start with the letter H. H phonic sound is ha ha ha. H for house, ha ha house. H for hat, ha ha hat. H for horse, ha ha horse. H for heart, ha ha heart. H for helicopter, ha ha helicopter. H for hen, ha ha hen. H for hair, ha ha hair. H for hammer, ha ha hammer. H for hippo, ha ha hippo. H for hand, ha ha hand. H for hanger, ha ha hanger. H for hospital, ha ha hospital. H for horn, ha ha horn. H for head, ha ha head. H for hut, ha ha hut. H for hook, ha ha hook. H for heart, ha ha heart. H for happy, ha ha happy. H for honey, ha ha honey. H for helmet, ha ha helmet. H for hummingbird, ha ha hummingbird. H for hyena, ha ha hyena. H for housefly, ha ha housefly. H for hairbrush, ha ha hairbrush. H for hamburger, ha ha hamburger. These are all the words that start with the letter H. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, like, share to my channel. Thank you.